Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuses and the relays for the cooling fan are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So, before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. For the cooling fan, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on this BMW right here guys. It should work on BMW X3, X4 since they're built on the same platform, so it should cover both vehicles. We will work in multiple fuse boxes. Please make sure to stay until the end, some are hidden. What we need to do, open the passenger door, open the glove box, empty the content of that glove box, because in the very back on the right you have that cover. You need to press that tab, pull the cover out, and behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, here we need to first check some fuses for engine management that could be responsible for the radiator fan as well. And if you come towards the bottom on that row here, fuse number 35 will need to be checked. After that, open the trunk, remove that cover, you need to lift that insulation piece up, and behind it you have another fuse box here guys, okay. We need to check a few more fuses. We're talking about, you may have all of them or some of them, it really depends on the option, package, engine, but you may have fuse 131 and 132. Also, you need to check fuse number 143, that fuse right here. Now guys, those are not the main fuses. If you guys open the trunk, leave that cover up, underneath you'll find your battery. You see that red thing? If you open it, there are, okay, multiple fuses. You don't have to open it to test it, but watch, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fuses. Check all these fuses. Next thing that you want to do, okay, because there is very limited information about those, on the passenger side by the window, remove that cover. Underneath you will find the cabin air filter. Next to it you have a fuse box guys. Okay, check this fuse box out right here. Okay, that thing will need to be tested, that component right there. And then on the driver's side here, remove that cover as well. We have video how to do that on our fuse box location video. It will explain how to do that. Pull the clip, remove that white cover. Behind it you have a module right there. That's what it looks like. They're supposed to be non-serviceable, but we will have a video how to open it. And if you open it, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses and 3 relays. Check these big fuses right here, guys, but check all of them and check these relays. Those are most of the times for engine management, radiator fan, guys, okay, engine functions that are hidden there. Now about the relays, check these 3 relays. There is very limited information about that, but most likely the relay part is controlled by the radiator fan control module on this BMW. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.